Global toys and games industry showed a very quick recovery from the recession in 2010, showing 2% value growth on the previous year. In 2009, the industry recorded a 4% drop. North America has always been the largest video games market. However, in 2010, it also became the largest traditional toys and games market, overtaking Western Europe. Currently, North America accounts for about 27% of value sales globally. In just a few years, however, Asia Pacific will take over North America, becoming the largest traditional toys and games market in the world. This will be due to phenomenal growth in China and India. We are expecting 21% yearly growth in India and 10% yearly growth in China. Japan is expected to be the only country which will decline in value sales. However, decline in that country will be offset by emerging economies in the region, including China and India. Traditional toys and games showed a better performance than video games in 2010, showing 6% value growth in just 1 year. This is partly due to Lego's amazing performance.
Lego was the most successful traditional toys company in 2010. Their retail value sales stood at $3.7 billion US, making the company the third largest traditional toys company in the world, behind only Mattel and Hasbro. And Lego currently accounts for about 5% of the global market share for toys. If Lego manages to keep the existing licenses it has, such as Star Wars, Pirates of the Caribbean, the Harry Potter, they stand a good chance of remaining a very significant player in this market and keeping their dominance in the construction toys as well.
Video game sales recorded 2% decline in 2010, as both static video game consoles and handheld video game consoles suffered from declining momentum inherent in sales. Video games hardware accessories recorded 12% increase in value sales in 2010, thanks to new product launches, including Sony Move and Xbox Kinect. However, increase in this segment wasn't enough to offset the overall decline we experienced in video games. Within overall toys and games, Latin America was the fastest growing region in 2010, recording a 17% value growth in just 1 year. The region had recorded a negative value growth in 2009. In 2010, the UK toys and games market is characterized by price polarization, as low price segment and the high price segments are outstripping the mid-price products. The main reason for the low-priced products dynamism is that increasing performance of collectible toys. This also benefited from recession because people shun away from buying large items to preferring more smaller items, more impulse products. Lego minifigures introduced in 2010 has become one of the biggest sellers in 2010.
Where Lego is typically positioned in the medium to higher price bracket, what they did in 2010, they introduced the pocket money line minifigures, which became very popular, becoming among the #1 best-selling toys in the UK, as well as the US and other markets, which was one of the biggest successes for Lego in 2010.
In India, branded products benefited from rising disposable income among the middle class, increasing availability, penetration of retailers into rural areas, and new product developments also benefited sales. Tighter regulations on important products, especially products imported from China, has also benefited branded products, and overall concerns about toy safety also benefited the whole market. In Russia, PC games reached saturation as new video games hardware launches now created a video game culture in the country. New launches, i.e. Move and Kinect, also had very good sales, and now playing video games is increasingly seen as an affordable family activity. Let's discuss our new findings from our enhanced and improved toys and game system. In this edition, we improved toys and game system tremendously. We have got brand shares for the first time for 22 subsectors. We increase our breakdowns for sizes. Now we have got 22 subsectors in sizes, addition to the 11 we had previously. New product breakdowns, new demographic breakdowns, as well as new enhanced retailing breakdowns as well.